Oh, we have like one crazy storm just went off. It's like 4 minutes ago it was all quiet, and then we saw dark clouds coming in, and all of a sudden it feels like a microburst just happened. The trees were swaying, everything was going crazy. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I'm not even just recording this because this is insane. Look how loud it is. Ah! Oh, getting wet, getting wet. Ah! We're legit having a puddle growing over here. Inside of our yard is already a mud hole. Eek! I swear to you, these trees were swaying like bonkers. Yeah, I like storms. Oh, I hate storms, I hate storms, I hate storms. Ah, I'm getting wet. I'm getting excited. Oh, that was nuts. Hi, puppy, how you doing? There's a window over here. There we go. Now we gotta get a view of this. Kind of. Whew. Wonder if our stream in the back is probably filling up. Birdhouses. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's already a mud hole growing. We don't need any more of it. Holy shoot. Our side yard is a complete mud puddle. You can definitely see where the mow lawns are. Or the mowing tracks, I guess. Lawnmower tracks? I don't know. That was insane. It's already getting bright, so. That was insanity. Let's see how our backyard's looking. Okay, let's trap it for the house. Trap it for the house. Bedroom. Okay. There we go. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see anything. No raging river back here, but it is raining like cray-cray. Nuts. Oh, looks like we got a puddle growing over here as well. You can see for the cracks. Oh my god. Oh my god. It rains so much that there's like a drain pipe over here, or like a drain thingy. It's filling up so much. That's how bad it is. Oh my gosh. That's how bad it is. Holy shoot. But yeah, that's how bad the rain's been going on lately. It's like so much rain we're getting. Everything's just filling up all over again. Getting wet. Definitely. So this is happening on Friday something. I forget what day it is. But it's happening on a Friday, and this is what we got. Insane. You have to see that over there is getting wet. Get good thunder here. Yeah, you can see if we see it's filling up. One yard is here and never dry. You see? Not so much. But yeah, okay. Thought I might show you that to you guys. See ya. Okay. So we're outside now. We're in my rain boots because it's so muddy out here. That's how bad it is. I have a doggone air conditioning going on right now, but here's that drain. Look how full it is. You can just have a little toy bowl in that thing. That's crazy. It's legit muddy. Oh my god! That's how muddy it is. storm's going on, and this is a little dangerous, but got a cute little birdhouse here. Right there. I have a picture of that. Perfect place to look at the birds. Let's go on the back. Ah. Oh God, it's disgusting. Oh, I hate mud. Ah. This is not fun. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, that major rain we just had. That's what's the result. Let's take a closer look. Oh my gosh, it's so loud. Oh my goodness. Oh dear. It's a puddle. Our yard is a legit puddle. 10 minutes ago it was calm, and now look what we got. Holy shoot. Oh my God. That is crazy! Oh, mud everywhere. Ah. Holy shoot! Mud. Mud. What? That is bonkers! Mud everywhere. It's still dripping. And like drip. There's times that the water would end up coming up right here. That's crazy. That is awesome. I gotta get inside. I'm dripping. Oh dear God. Ooh-wee! Mud everywhere! There's never a single dry day here. That's Pennsylvania for you folks. I gotta get inside. Oh, good. I gotta get inside. Else my camera's getting wet. Okay, I'll leave it off here for a bit. Keep you updated. Cheers! Okay, so a while ago, I just came out here and it's like a trash can in the middle of the road, and it's crazy. Storm's finally calming down a bit. I don't think you can see the sky very well, but there it goes. Yeah, it's starting to have blue sky, so it's clearing off a little bit. I'm gonna drag this tree branch to the field, because it's in the middle of the road. And after that, we'll see how the tunnel over here is looking. So, be back in a sec. Okay, now I'm at the field, and by the way, this field is really nice. I love coming here. Still dragging this branch pretty much through the thing. Oh my God, it's a legit mud puddle over here. Ew. I hope I can make it. Okay, I gotta find me a way around here. This ain't looking hot, but I'm glad I'm wearing wellies. Okay. This is a bad idea. Bad idea. Oh God, I hate mud. I legit hate mud. Okay. Finally made it. Whew. Okay. We need to build this poor tree into a bonfire pit here. That's what actually happens. They burn the trees here. Ugh. Looks like another dark sky coming in, so I gotta hurry. Got it! Yeah! Okay. Now let's go tippy-toe from here and check out the drain. Okay. Almost there. By the way, get this camera to focus a little bit. This blue sky forming! And it's really warm. Yeah, okay. I just dropped off the tree branch way down there. rough coming in that area. Wow, there's a fogging up. That's how warm it is. Okay, so let's check out the drain pipe. Or something like that. Yeah. Lot of destruction after a 10-minute storm. Get a good view of the river over here. Oh, yeah. Oh, Mother Mercy. That is crazy. There was a time that, there was one rainy day that the water legit came over this area. Legit came over here. It was over the tunnel. I mean, that was in the street. It was crazy. I didn't have any photos of that, but that's what happened. Woo! Crazy storm. Yeah, that's scary. That's legit scary. But yeah, we got like a legit microburst for a moment here. Oh wow. That's gorgeous sky right now. Yeah, we got a legit microburst just happened here. It was insane. It was like out of nowhere. Like I said, I wasn't out of nowhere. It was like one moment it was quiet. The next moment it just went crazy. Trees were swaying. And by the way, we saw a hawk. We saw a little hawk sitting on the tippy top of this tree up here yesterday. It was pretty cool. I think it was yesterday. It was cool. Yes. It was pretty insane. Yeah. My glasses are legit fogging up right now. How sweaty it is. So, yeah. This dark skies, it's like, it was over here for a while. And then it's like, whoosh, came over and out of nowhere. Okay. I'm gonna leave it right here. So that's what happened during the storm. I'm ashamed I didn't catch the microburst happening, but that's okay. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to give a like, or you can share if you want. And you can subscribe or like us on Facebook or Twitter or YouTube, whatever, our channel, whatever. But I hope you guys enjoy it. I know this is only pieces of the storm, but it's pretty crazy insane. Trash cans. Okay, well, doodles. Thumbs up and bye! Puppet Master forever! Okay. Well, honey, now the storm's over, you can go and pee. Or do your duty, sorry. Okay, here we go. Come on! Yeah. I had to take back into the trash cans over there, so I was nice. I'm not sure it's there in trash cans. Yeah. I don't know, they're probably going to claim it. Good boy! Come here, rascal! Atta boy. You're a good puppy. Don't eat that. You always eat things off the road, you silly. The neighbors are over there. Right. Good boy, rascal. Oh, you peed twice. Good boy. Yeah, these are some neighbors over there. Yeah, nice.